Hi! In front of me is Poco F5 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, tap on About Phone section. Then tap on Storage. Scroll all the way down and select Free App. Now wait a couple of seconds and choose Clean Up at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!